I think the real issue here, and for our viewers, is what is marital property?
Yeah.
And how is that determined?
Generally, marital property, is anything acquired during the course of the marriage, and that includes marital debt as well. There are some exceptions. Exceptions certainly is going to be, let's say Uncle Harry left you an inheritance of $1 million, and you didn't put that in the joint names of the parties, then that's yours, okay? If you had a house...
What if you put it in a property in both names?
Well, if you put the property in both names, then it's what they call a fancy term, it's transmuted into marital property. I mean, you could try to prove and try to trace it, but basically if you put it into both names, it more than likely is going to be considered a gift. If, however, let's say you have your marital property, that a house that you had before you got married, now you get married. Well, it's non-marital. However, there is what they call a right of reimbursement that's going to go to the marital estate. And when two get married, it becomes one. And so, again, here's the money that's been paid to this non-marital property to pay for the mortgage, to pay for the taxes, to pay for any repairs. And so whatever that amount is, there's a right of reimbursement. So if you, and you have to prove this, of course, let's just say and make it easy, okay, during the time, spent $100,000 in improvements and taxes and paying the mortgage and all that stuff. Okay, so what? You know, if we're looking at 50-50, then we're looking at $50,000 that is gonna, you know, more than likely go back to her. And again, it depends upon what judge you get and, you know, what their thought process is on that subject.